What if I told you that right now in 2026, you could build an AI automation that saves a local business owner 10 hours a week and charge them $1,000 a month to keep it running? And the crazy part, you don't need to know how to code because the tools that make all of this possible, they're already built. You just need to know which ones to use. Today I'm breaking down the 6 Claude Code tools, skills, and plugins that the best AI automation builders are using right now to build reliable, high quality automations that clients are actually willing to pay for. I'm also going to show you the number one mistake people make when trying to sell this stuff, and it's not what you'd expect. Let's get into it. Real quick, before we dive in, if you've been consuming AI content for months and still haven't built anything you can show someone or make money from, I want to fix that. I run the AI Builder Bootcamp on School. 8 weeks. You build 10 real AI products from scratch. Tools, agents, automations, and a full SaaS. Not tutorials you forget. Actual live apps in your portfolio that you can show a client, use to get hired, or launch yourself. And it's $30 a month. Genuinely the most hands-on AI building program you'll find at that price, probably at any price. If you're tired of watching and ready to actually build something, link is in the description. Before we get into the tools, let me give you 30-second crash course on what we're talking about. Claude Code is an AI coding assistant made by Anthropic. Think of it as having a brilliant developer sitting next to you, available 24/7, who never gets tired and never complains about the hours. But like any good assistant, Claude Code gets dramatically better when you give it the right tools and instructions. That's where skills and plugins come in. Skills are like training manuals. They teach Claude exactly how to handle specific tasks step by step without you having to explain it every single time. Plugins are like power-ups. They unlock entire new capabilities like better planning, smarter memory, and way cleaner code. Together, they turn a good AI tool into a reliable, professional-grade automation machine. And that's exactly what businesses are paying for. Alright, let's start with what I think is the most powerful meta tool on this list, because this one literally builds the other tools for you. It's called Skill Creator, and it's an official skill from Anthropic themselves. Here's the problem it solves. Writing a skill file from scratch, the kind that tells Claude exactly how to handle a task, used to be tedious. You'd have to write it out manually, structure it correctly, test it, and debug it. Total headache. Skill Creator completely removes that friction. You just describe what you want in plain English, like I want a skill that rates cold email outreach for local restaurants, and a Claude drafts it, tests it, and packages it into a ready-to-use skill file. It's essentially a factory for building your own custom AI workflows. And once you build a skill, you can use it forever on any project for any client. If you're building automations as a service, this is your unfair advantage. Most people are starting from zero every single time. You're stacking up reusable systems. Okay, tool number 2 is called Superpowers, and the name is not an exaggeration. Here's a problem you might not know exists yet. When you give Claude Code a task and just say go build this, it has a tendency to rush. It jumps straight into writing code without fully thinking through the problem, and that leads to messy, buggy output that needs constant fixing. The Superpowers plugin, created by developer Jesse Vincent, fixes this by forcing Claude to work like a senior developer would. Before writing a single line of code, Claude has to stop, plan the full architecture, write tests for what it's about to build, and think through edge cases, all in an isolated environment. The result? Cleaner code, fewer bugs, less back and forth, and automations that actually work the first time instead of the fifth. Think about it from a client's perspective. They're not paying you for code, they're paying you for something that works reliably. Superpowers is how you consistently deliver that. Tool number 3 might be my personal favorite, and it solves one of the most frustrating things about working with AI on complex projects. It's called GSD, short for Get Stuff Done, and it was built to solve a problem called context rot. Here's what context rot is. When you're working on a big project, Claude has a memory limit. The longer the session goes, the more it starts to forget what you told it earlier. It loses track of requirements, it contradicts itself, it starts making mistakes it wasn't making an hour ago. If you ever felt like your AI got dumber halfway through a session, that's context rot, and it's incredibly frustrating. GSD solves this by not using one big bloated session. Instead, it breaks your project into individual tasks and spins up a fresh subagent for each one. Each subagent gets a clean focus context window. When it's done, it writes its progress to disk, and the next subagent picks up exactly where it left off. The result is a multi-hour complex automation project that runs accurately from start to finish without you having to babysit it every 10 minutes. That means you can set it up, walk away, and come back to finish work. That's the dream. Okay, number 4 is actually 2 tools in one, and they are your quality control safety net. Claude Code comes with 2 built-in review commands. The first is /re. That's just the slash key, then re. This runs a fast local code review right in your session. It catches bugs, checks your logic, and flags anything that looks off. Think of it as your first line of defense before you ship anything. The second command is /ultrareview. This one is more powerful. It uploads your code to the cloud sandbox and deploys a fleet of parallel AI agents that actively try to break your code. They're looking for logic errors, security vulnerabilities, performance issues, the kind of problems that only show up in production at the worst possible time. Why does this matter for selling automations? Because if you hand a client something and it breaks a week later, you lose the client. And word gets around, but if your automations just work, if they handle edge cases, stay secure, and perform under load, that's the reputation that gets you referrals. That's how you build a business, not just a side hustle. Tool number 5 is called Context Mode, and it works hand in hand with GSD to keep your sessions clean and efficient. Here's the specific problem it solves. Some tasks generate massive amounts of raw data. Think about website access logs with thousands of lines, or browser automation snapshots that are enormous files. If you dump all of that directly into Claude's context window, you're burning through memory fast, and most of that data is noise you don't need. Context Mode routes that raw data through a sandbox first, filters it, and only passes back the specific pieces Claude actually needs for that task. You get cleaner context, faster processing, and way less wasted capacity. But here's the feature I really love. Context Mode also saves your entire session history to a local database on your computer. That means you can run uninterrupted sessions for up to 3 hours without Claude losing its place. For complex client projects, that's a total game changer. Less noise, longer sessions, smarter outputs. That's what Context Mode delivers. And now for the final tool on the list, and this one might be the most underrated of all 6. It's called Claude-Mem. And if Context Mode manages your current session, Claude-Mem manages your future sessions. Here's the problem it fixes. Every time you open a new Claude Code session, you're starting from scratch. You have to re-explain the project, re-explain your preferences, re-explain the client's requirements, re-explain what you already built. It's repetitive, it eats up tokens, and it slows you down. Claude-Mem fixes this by automatically summarizing what you worked on, capturing your progress, your decisions, your project context, and saving it to a local database. It also keeps your documentation files up to date automatically. So the next time you open a session, Claude already knows the project. It already knows where things are. You skip the re-explanation phase entirely and get straight to work. Over the course of a long client project, this saves you hours, literally hours. And it means you can pick up a project weeks later and Claude will still know exactly what's going on. Real quick, before we get to the business advice, there's the bonus tool I want to mention. Anthropic has an official front-end design skill, and if you've ever seen AI-generated designs that look kind of generic and clunky, this is the answer to that. It gives Claude a much stronger eye for visual design, cleaner layouts, better spacing, proper typography, professional polish. The kind of designs you'd actually be proud to show a client. If any part of your automation involves building something people look at, a dashboard, a landing page, a client portal, this skill is absolutely worth adding to your toolkit. Okay, we've covered 6 tools, 7 if you count the bonus, but I want to end with the most important thing I can tell you if you want to actually make money with this. Never ever sell the technical workflow. When you're talking to a business owner, a restaurant, a law firm, a real estate agent, they do not care that you use GSD's subagents architecture to manage context windows. They don't know what that means, and honestly, they don't want to know. What they care about is, does this solve my problem? Does this save me time? Does this make me money? So instead of saying I built an AI automation with Claude Code and 6 plugins, you say I built a system that eliminates manual data entry for your team's daily workflow, saving you about 10 hours a week. Or I built something that follows up with every lead within 5 minutes, 24/7, without any lifting a finger. And my clients typically see a 30% increase in book calls within the first month. Sell the outcome. The technical stuff is just how you deliver it. The businesses that will pay you the most are the ones where the problem is clear, the pain is real, and the value of solving it is obvious. Find those businesses, speak their language, and these 6 tools are what you use to actually deliver. So there you have it, the 6 Claude Code tools that are powering the best AI automations being built right now in 2026. Quick recap: Skill Creator builds you reusable playbooks, Superpowers forces clean planned code, GSD kills context rot with smart subagents, the review commands catch bugs before they reach clients, context mode keeps your sessions lean and long running, and Claude-Mem carries your knowledge across every future session. Use these together and you're not just using AI, you're operating like a professional automation agency. If this was helpful, drop a like and a subscribe. I post new videos on AI automation every week. And if you have a question about getting started, drop it in the comments. I read every single one. I'll see you in the next one.